But God creates such millions of universes. Ekappasu rachayatam jagadanda koti. Koti, million. Jat shaktirasti jagadanda chaya anantam. He is creating and everywhere he is present. How he is present? Andantarastham. He is present within the universe and within the heart of all living entities, even within the atom. Andantarastham paramanu chayanta. That is Krishna. That is only by his one part. Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhaja. So, such Govinda has become the son of Vasudeva and Devaki. So, how it is possible? And therefore, the devotee is so great that although Krishna, God, is so great that by his one portion he can create the innumerable universes, he enters into the womb of Devaki and comes out as her son. This is Krishna's grace. Uh, he can make his devotee so great that the greater than the greatest is coming out of the womb of Devaki. So, apare vasudevasya devakam. That's why he agreed. Jachita. Jachita. Request. Uh, Requested as Sutapa and Prishni. Vasudeva was Prishni in his former life and Devaki was Sutapa. Sutapa means one who can perform austerities and penance very nicely. Su means nicely and tapa. So they underwent austerities and penance to get a son like Krishna. So when Krishna was pleased with their tapasya, they wanted, my Lord, we wanted a son like you. So where is like me? Krishna is asama urdha. There is nobody equal to Krishna, nobody is greater than. Otherwise, how he can be great? God is great. If somebody is greater than him, then how he can be great? Nobody can be greater than him. That is greatness. Either you say in English language and Mohammedan language, Allahu Akbar. Allah, the Supreme Being, is the great. We also say Parabrahma. So, nobody can be greater than him or equal, asama. So, they wanted the son like you. That means somebody must be equal to him. Like you means equal to him. So who can be equal to Krishna? But he can expand himself with many equals. Advaita Achyuti Anadi Ananta Rupam. Krishna can expand himself in millions and millions forms. Golokayova nivasati akhilatma bhuta. Everything is there. Although he is living in Goloka, still by his omnipotency, omnipresence, he can be everywhere. Andantarastang paramanusa. So that Paramatma or the super soul is equal with Krishna. Not anything else equal with Krishna. But the Paramatma is equal with Krishna. Therefore, by his expansion, he agreed to become son of Devaki, and there may be hundreds and thousands of Devaki devotees. He is unlimited, his devotees are unlimited, their demands are unlimited. So everything is Krishna's unlimited. See, therefore all unlimited means Krishna, all attractive. That is the real name of God. If God can be given one name, because God has no name, but his names are given according to his activities, then how to concentrate in one name? That one name is Krishna, all attractive. That is the real name of Krishna. Thank you very much.